Today, we're diving into the world of innovative flooring solutions with the 24-pack Adjustable Plastic Pedestal Paver, a versatile tool designed to elevate your flooring projects with ease and precision. This ingenious product simplifies the installation of plastic wood floors by allowing you to secure them firmly with screws through the upper plate, ensuring a stable and reliable structure. If you encounter uneven surfaces due to ground height differences, worry not, as the adjustable thread feature allows you to correct any errors on the fly, offering high accuracy and a seamless finish. Perfect for a wide range of applications, these pedestals are ideal for outdoor anti-corrosion wood, plastic wood floor keels, various stone materials, engineering grid floors, greenhouse floors, and even pipelines. By effectively replacing traditional construction methods like cement piers and steel frames, this product facilitates the easy laying and installation of pipelines and other equipment. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this adjustable pedestal paver is your go-to solution for achieving a flawless and elevated flooring experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.